Bila and this is
Chelsea.
And we're doing cooking with kids. We love cooking traditional South Asian food, but with a little bit of fusion. Today we have something super special for you. Shazi's gonna be helping me out, and I've noticed when Shazi helps me out with cooking, he enjoys the food and he makes all of us try it. So it's a great way to get your kids involved and educate them on what's good to eat. So, shall we start?
Sure.
Okay, so we're making Karahi chicken. Shazi, why don't you turn on the stove?
Alright.
Let's put it on high.
So we have some chicken here.
We do. So let's put the chicken in first, right? There's 2 cups of water.
Make sure it's smoking. A teaspoon of sea salt in the chicken. Just let that stay in there. After you put that in, just wait.
We've added 1 whole chicken that's cut in small pieces, half a teaspoon of sea salt, as well as half a teaspoon of ginger paste and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic paste. We've put the temperature up to high, so we're going to cook it on high. The chicken is boiling in the water, and we're just going to let that sit for about 20 minutes and then come back.
I don't trouble with this. Now look at that side. Delicious.
We have about 15 minutes before we have to come back to the chicken. So in the meantime, we're going to do some work that needs to be done. We have tomatoes. Shazi, I put the tomatoes in the sink. Can you please wash those so that we can, well, not we, but I'll cut them. You wash them. And after you're done with the tomatoes, perfect.
Okay.
After you're done with the tomatoes, we need to do the cilantro. It's very important to wash. Why is it important to wash your vegetables?
So they're not dirty?
Yes. You don't want to eat dirty food, huh? No. Okay. I'm going to cut these. And we're just going to slice them. There's a whole bunch of different ways of making the Karahi chicken. We're just making one technique that we've learned is very easy and simple. When I go to the store, I basically ask them to cut the chicken and clean it before they put it in a bag, which saves you a good 10-15 minutes, and that goes towards spending more time with your kids or doing anything else that you need to do. Now what I've done is I've just sliced a couple of the peppers, but I've cleaned it so they're not going to be too spicy. Can you please check on the chicken and tell me how it's going? Thanks.
Well, it's pretty good.
It is?
It's boiling a lot, and then a couple. It's boiling a lot, and it smells super good.
It does smell good.
Yep, another 10 minutes, and we're good to go.
What are we going to do once the chicken is done?
Let's put a little bit of
olive oil? Yes. Well, we haven't added any oil right now, so it's just water and salt and the ginger and garlic. So we need to add some olive oil and the paprika. The paprika helps with adding a little bit of color. It's not, you can use red peppers.
But I think it's going to be too spicy.
Yes, so we found out that it's too spicy for Shazi, so we stick to something a little bit milder.
So, the water's almost done dissolving. And after that, we're going to put some vegetable oil and the paprika.
Well, you know what? Let's do olive oil. Olive oil is healthier.
Yeah.
So let's do you want to add the paprika? There you go.
And I'll give it a good.
And that's a teaspoon of paprika.
Okay, mix that around a little bit.
And let's do the olive oil. There you go. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We've put the temperature down.
And the water's dissolving. And now we're going to put some
Ginger.
Ginger in.
So I slice some ginger for Shazi. Just pour it in.
I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Alright. Put it a little higher.
A little bit higher.
And mix it up.
We're you like me to hold it?
Yes.
I'm holding it.
Okay. After that's all mixed up, take some tomatoes.
I'm so glad you washed your hands before you started touching anything. A tablespoon of yogurt. Now let's make sure we make some room on the side so you can put it in. All right, dump it in. Honey, can you put in the
Cilantro?
Yes. You see the chicken's all done.
Yeah, it is. Spread the cilantro out.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Just a more. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt in it.
You tasted it, huh? It's very important to taste your food. And we didn't use any other masalas.
No, we did not.
So you really get the flavor of the chicken and the tomatoes.
Yeah.
And it's always good to use fresh ingredients. Makes a world of difference in your meal.
And never spray any chemicals on it. It doesn't make it better. It doesn't make it better. Always get fresh vegetables from the garden.
From the garden, or if you don't have a garden, you can go to the farmer's market.
Farmer's market always gives you fresh vegetables.
And it's nice to try the samples.
Yeah. They always give you samples if you like it or not. We go to the farmer's market on Thursdays or Sundays.
And Saturdays.
Yeah, and Saturdays.
Nice.
Look at this.
Beautiful. I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's get a plate and eat it.
The chicken is completely done, and it took us a total of 25 to 30 minutes.
Yep.
I'm going to move this over. Shazid has gotten a plate for us.
We're going to put this on a plate. How do we take a leg?
You really like the leg, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so the leg.
That looks delicious.
Could you please grab me a napkin?
Inside the bowl. And now we're going to get a fork and a knife and eat it.
You know, you're right about the color. The paprika really brought in that nice golden color to the chicken. And we're going to garnish it with a little bit of ginger.
I guess we can do that too.
And cilantro. You've got a knife.
To cut it.
Okay, perfect. There's a small piece. I didn't have to cut it. There's a small piece right there. Ready? It's really hot. It's very, very hot, and you've got a little bit of the bone right there. How about if I feed you? Right?
That's really good.
What flavors do you taste?
All of it. The cilantro, the garlic,
It
the
is
yogurt.
Really good. You can taste the yogurt? Really? No. We used Roma plum tomatoes on the vine. Excellent. I've always used those because they just end up working out perfect with this dish. If you try other tomatoes, it just seems like you don't get that flavor that you get with the tomatoes. So that would be our suggestion. Enjoy. It's a simple, easy dish. We can pair it up with some boiled rice or some naan or roti, any type of bread. It's great. It's a good diet dish. Thank you again for spending time with us. I hope you enjoyed it because we enjoyed it, and we'd love to hear from you. So please do write to us. Take care.
By the way, roti is a flatbread.
Yes, sorry. It's a flatbread. All right, so we're gonna enjoy our karahi chicken. You guys enjoy making yours, and we'll see you next time. Bye.